Asslamualikum. Welcome back to my channel Tech at Home. So in this video I'm going to explain you about Windows 10 own video editor. So let's start. First, in the search box you will type here video editor, and then you will take the best match. We'll click on it. It will open like this, and then you will click on this new video project. You will click on it, and see the one screen will appear in front of you which will ask you to name your video. So let's suppose I will write first session. Okay, I will press OK, and then I will add from this PC, and then I can take any intro, outro. I can take the outro, I can take the intro, I can take any video, let's suppose this all videos. I will go to all videos, Tech at Home videos, split screen. Okay, so after bringing this video, now I will drag it to the storyboard. Now what is storyboard? This is storyboard. It's not a professional video editing software, it's a basic video editing software. It's not costing you anything, it's totally free. So I will drag this video to the storyboard. Intro, then video, and then outro. But let's talk about these sections. So here you will find here add title card, trim, split, add text, motion, 3D effects, filters, speed, and these are some other options. So let's first talk about a title card. Title card is used to give a title to your story or to give a title to your video. So I will click on this text, and I will write here first session on Windows 10 video editor. Okay, so I wrote this. I can change the background as well. Let's suppose I take the background this, and I can take some styles like bold, cinema, boom. I can change the layout from here as well. First session, and I can take the joy, love, classic, adventure, and before, when I don't have Filmora, so I used to take this one, impact and poetry. So these I like this one text, so I usually take poetry and impact. These are, I think so, very simple for me. So for now I can take impact, or I can, there's holiday as well, fine print, chilled, electric, pixel, cartoon, impact, poetry, fresh, bold, cinema, boom, quiet. There's a much variety of text, so you can choose any of you like. So for now I can take adventure. Okay, and then I can choose a time, from what time to what time it should appear, and then it should disappear. So I want for whole time to appear, and I can also change the duration of this. So here I will press done, and if you see, so it's only 3 seconds duration. So I will click on it, and then I will go to duration, and I can change the duration to 5 seconds or 7 seconds, and I will go to 5 seconds. But now I will go to text again, and now I will increase the time, because the time is actually till 3 seconds. So now I will bring it to all 5 seconds. Yeah, so it's done. Now I will play my video from here. Yeah, first session on Windows 10 video editor. So it will appear for 5 seconds, and then it will disappear. Assalam. Okay, here I can do one thing. I will click on it, and then here you can see this option. You can see my mouse, it's showing remove or show black bars. I want to remove black bars, so I will click on it. So see, black bars has been removed from the video. So now I will leave this, and then we can also add a background music, or you can add your custom audio. So for now I will take any background music. Let's suppose this. Okay, so this is nice. I can change the volume of this, and then I will press done. There's some net issues, but once you export the video, once you press finish the video, it will be fine. There are some glitches because of the net issues and also of the screen recording. Everything is working at one time, so any glitches are occurring. So I hope you understand. So now what I will do is that I will tell you about this. I will tell you about this trim. So now let's suppose I don't want the starting scene of my video. Wait, I can decrease the noise. Yep, so I have decreased the noise. Welcome back to my channel. And I will decrease my voice as well because it's too much. Okay, now I want it to start from when I'm opening Take it home. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can apply split screen view on your desktops. So I want to start from here. I will take this and I will press trim, and you are seeing this. So now I will trim it till here and I will press done. So let's see time. And the second procedure will be that first procedure will be that let's start. So now see. So let's start. In this video we are gonna have to see the first dialogues are trimmed. So now I will explain you about split. So what is split? Let's suppose let's start from the take it home intro. So what I will do is that I will go to split option. No, not here. I will cancel this. First I will select this, then I will press split option, and then let's suppose I want from here. So I will press done, and see the screen has been splitted. So if I don't want, so I can I will press tick on the box, and then I will press delete, so that scene will be deleted. So we are done with the title card, trim, split. Now a text. So what is text? Now I will tell you that what is text. Let's suppose text. I will press on this tick box. I will and I will press text. Okay. So now this is all same like we did on add title card. So I hope that now you are aware of this text. So now I can add a text applying line split screen view. So I will take here from love apply split screen view. Okay, so here I will take love. I can change the layout as well, but that is fine. I can change the time. I will check from where it's starting. So let's start. In this video, okay, till here. Okay, so now let's check. In this video I will also show you after exporting, because I think the video quality is not nice. in this video we are gonna, okay, I will show you after exporting. There are some problem issues. There's some now. It's time for motion. I can take motion on the intro, on the video, on the outro. So I will click on the motion, and then I can do zoom in center, zoom out, zoom left, and your choice. So I can press on tilt up, and then let's see. Let's see, it's zooming. Did you see that? It's zooming. I don't think so that you can change the speed of the zoom. That's I think so is the issue. 3D effects. 3D effects. Let's go to 3D effects. So here, let's suppose I want balloons. Come here. Sorry. Balloons. Huh? Yeah. So I can press and attach to point. Attaching your effect, it will just be a moment. Okay. Okay. Now okay. So I hope that you got an idea of effects. We are having more like explosion. So let's take the explosion from here. Yep. So it was nice. Now I hope that you are well understood about this 3D effects. So I have cancelled, so that's why it's not coming. Now it's time for filters. Now what is filters? You can change the like you can change the color, or we can say the value of the image or video. Like let's suppose joy. So I hope that you got it. So you got it. So I know that you got it. So now it's time for speed. Let's suppose for the video I want very fast speed. Let's suppose this much, or this much. Yep. So now see,
we are having one stick. Then we need to spin the other one.
Okay. So I hope that you understand the whole tutorial of Windows 10 video editor. Yeah, I wanted to show you how it looks like after exporting. So let's press on finish video. High quality, more options. Okay, export. Okay, now I will select the place where I want to export this. I will go to my folder, and let's suppose. Wait, I will first section. I will export here. Okay, so it is exporting. I will show you once it's fully exported. Okay, so it's almost done. It's about to finish. Yep, it's finished. So we will get to see this our video. Did you see that I have cropped from the beginning? See, now it's fine. Now it's not glitching.
So let's start. In this video we are going to have 3 procedures. The first procedure will be that you can view 2 screens at one time. And the second procedure will be that you can view 3
Now
screens
let's
at one
skip
time.
this
And
thing.
the third procedure has been applied. If you enjoyed this video, once in a week.
The outro. Do you remember? I did motion zoom in center. So see, from here it's zooming. So the video has been exported. Now I will go back to my video editor. Okay, one thing I will remind you that never press X, this X on your while you are editing, because if you are done lots of efforts and you press X, so it won't you ask to save the changes or not. It will just close like this. It closed. It did not ask you to save the changes you want to save or no. So be careful for this. It happened me at lot of time when I was using my laptop. So it happened very much. So this was the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. I have done, this is the first heaviest project I have ever done, like full tutorial of the video editor. So you know what, I have to recheck everything. I have to cut, trim, add effect, not I don't add effects, but intros, outros, subscribe animation, green screen. I have to take care I have to take care of all of this. So I have to put a lot of effort. So if you know what, if I trim my video, so it always come with 17. Like when I normally the 3 minutes video, when I edit it is when I see the video, the duration is always that it is 17 minutes. But I have to cut, trim some additional dialogues, because I know that you all are having your precious time. So that's why I know that your time is very important, and I don't have to waste the timing in the adding additional dialogues. I have to just be to the point, and I have to clear everything in just like I have to clear that 5 minutes dialogue in 1 minute. So I have to edit and trim, cut, trim, and that's so much. Then I make that 17 minutes video to 3 minutes video, 5 minutes video. So now I think so it has been 40 minutes video. So it would be, if I will cut, trim, so it would be 20 or 30 minutes video. I don't know actually how much this video became, but right now if you see, the time is 12:44 p.m. Oman time. So if I see when I started on 11:30. So please subscribe, because you people see you did not subscribe, so that's very heart touching moment for me. So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Share this video with your family, friends and relatives. Till that, Allah Hafiz. I will meet you all in the next video.